Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you all types of comments inside Python. Whenever you're developing a Python application, there are lots of comments which are, so the normal comment is there. You just put the hash sign, and then this is a singular comment. So this is a simple comment inside. And let's suppose there are also inline comments as well, so which you can even write like this. This is a print statement. So if I execute this Python script, what will be the output here? You will just see the comments will be ignored, and the output will be hello world again. So these comments right here is ignored. You put the hash sign, or you can put double hash sign. All these are treated as comment. It will change to green color, and this is actually your comment. So either you can put one hash sign, or you can put double hash sign as well. So but this will give me an error here, syntax error, because this is not a comment. So for this to be a comment, you need to put this hash sign. This will change it to comment. This is singular and inline comment. But if you want to do multiple line comment, you simply say three double quotes like this. So this is your multi-line comment. This is a multi-line comment. So now if you execute the script here, you will see it will safely execute. You will see that all this multi-line comment is ignored here. You will see inside Python. So there are multiple forms of comments here. This is the most used comment, which is inline comment, or this like this. But if you want to do multiple lines of comment, you put this inside this three double single quotes, and inside this you write your comment. So these are two different kinds of comments, multi-line and a singular line comments inside Python. And that's all that is there. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.